What's up, everyone? I haven't done a live feed or a live camera in a long time. But yeah, here we are back with another video. And I have the beats on. I'm not playing anything if I'm going to be truthful with you guys. I'm not playing anything. But let's lock in. Instead of typing out so much, I'm going to talk it to you guys. Show you what I'm saying, seeing, and all that. So high impact news. It is non-farm payroll on a Friday, so technically I shouldn't even be trading, but I need to get my reps in. So first thing we do is mark out liquidity levels. So I'll show you. First, and yes, I did change my screen to 930. Oh my god, look at all this low resistance. But anyways, I'm gonna turn on my indicator here. I'm gonna do this and then I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna do the same thing for ES here. Same thing for ES. Alright, so we do have an SMT right here. SMT. Let me just change that real quick. Okay. So we have our SMT. So this makes a lower low. ES makes a higher low. And then we have this low resistance, liquidity run to the upside, targeting buy side and previous daily high. Same concept here on ES. We have buy side liquidity, previous daily high. We already took out this buy side liquidity, and we swept London lows before continuing higher. So let's see what the 9:30 a.m. candle brings here. That'll be pretty interesting. So just give me 1 second. I'm not gonna make this video long. Alright, so we're gonna start building our narrative. So on the daily, what is going on? We are slowly consolidating higher. We are respecting bullish PD arrays. We did have a little bit of a retracement, but we are still respecting those bullish PD arrays. And here's a daily BISI. 4 hour here. 4 hour are structurally bearish because we did make this low. However, we can tell that this is just a higher time frame retracement because we do respect the BISIs and we do get a pretty good movement to the upside here. So let's actually write that down. Actually, I'm gonna pause the video and then I'll be back. Alright, this is what I have so far. The daily is consolidating towards buy-side liquidity to rebalance imbalances. The 4 hour time frames are structurally bearish, however, price had a good reaction when it rebalanced bullish PD raise. Same concept here. We are still structurally bearish, but as you can tell, we are bullish on the lower time frames. So yeah. So this is hourly buy side. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we did have a good reaction from previous monthly high. And that reaction caused us to take out Tuesday, Wednesday low, and then come back up. So we did take out buy side. We do have this 1 hour SIBI. But here's the thing. I would like to see this disrespected if we're still bullish. 0.79 level. But let's just see. Yeah, we definitely disrespect that. So price is still very bullish here. So on the one. Okay. Price is bullish. We are respecting bullish PD arrays. We did sweep out liquidity. Same concept here. Swift liquidity reversed to the upside. Alright guys, on the higher time frame we are pretty bullish. However, I do think that we can see some potential downside movement, especially after this big move up. Excuse me. I think we will see a retracement. But before that retracement, I want to see what price does here as fast as market opens. So let's see. Alright, because I do feel like price is overextended. Like I would like to enter somewhere here. Like if I was still long, I'd like to enter off of this 15-minute BISI. Okay, now we're back. Now we wait. So we do have this breakup structure outside here. This would be a valid aggressive entry model here. If you get a retracement into this and then breakup structure out. But it's not 9:30, so you gotta wait until 9:30. I think if we take a trade before 10, we'll risk $50. If we take a trade after 10, then we'll risk the full position size, which is $100. Alright, we got like 2 more minutes until it opens. Alright guys, this is my narrative. So the higher time frame drawn liquidity is higher because price is delivering from sell side, bullish PD rates are being validated. However, price may want to deliver lower to rebalance imbalances, take out sell side liquidity before continuing higher. We care more about path than just simply direction. Alright, now we wait. I think price is gonna shoot up and then shoot down. Let's see what happens here. Oh, okay. So on ES, we didn't even shoot down. I mean, shoot up. Let's see. Okay. It's like the market fell asleep. far. It's an SMT. Alright, we're just chopping. Okay, I think this is a valid. If we close under this, it might be a valid position. I mean, price is just consolidating for now. We did have a bearish SMT on the 1 minute. We did take out buy side liquidity. Not yet on ES. So we might want to wait until it takes it out on ES low key. Yeah, I'm not going to count that. It's not good enough. Okay. Let's see if we can take out this buy side. Another third equal high. That'd be crazy if we don't take out these 3 equal highs and buy side. There we go. There we go. Come on, just take out buy side. Not that serious. What? These things aren't moving in sync. Guy, Loki think that's a valid breakout. So there's that. So we're gonna put a stop loss right here. Okay, wait, that's not a valid stop loss. There. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Just don't want to risk more than $50 this trade. And I made a new roll. I'm not doing anything less than a 1 to 2. So let's see if this trade hits or not. Wait. This is wrong. Buy one. Okay. Let's see what happens. So this is our aggressive entry model. Let's see what happens here. Maybe I answered a little bit too early, especially that we're so close to buy side liquidity on ES here. But let's just see, because I think what might happen is that price might get a quick impulse to the upside to take out this buy side liquidity, and then either we continue higher, take out previous daily high, or we retrace a little bit. But if we're gonna take out buy side, we might as well take out previous daily high. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Okay, so we did just take out buy side here. Now what? Are we gonna keep pushing to previous daily high, or are we gonna turn? If you do keep pushing to previous daily high, I'm gonna get stopped out, which is fine. But yeah. Now we wait. Loki, not a bad fill. Getting on this candle right here. Okay. We might have a little bit of retracement, but we'll see how we react to this drawn liquidity. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna get stopped out on this trade here. Yeah. Just got worked out right here. First trade, quick L. Because I would like to see price take out these lows at least, because I do think we are overextended. But who knows? It looks like we're targeting previous daily highs here. Maybe price will rebalance after we take out previous daily highs. Okay, good. That was actually a good placement for the stop loss here. My idea behind this trade was that we took out buy side, we're consolidating, we had an SMT bearish, PD array, inverse for value gap, accumulated in an SMT, we dropped out of it, breakup structure out of this SIBI, entered, and it gave me a false entry, which is fine, but now we wait. I'm gonna pause the video until something, something I like happens. Alright guys, this is probably gonna be my last trade regardless if it's a win or a loss here. Market structure shift inverse fair value gap, rebalance, break structure out of it. Rest 5 handles. Buy stop. First TP is gonna be 1 to 2. This is a risky trade because we are going against the trend. Yes, very risky. Very risky. It is an aggressive model. Nice, give me a second. Okay, it's very risky because we are going against the trend here. First TP is at 1 to 2. But look how smooth these lows are, guys. I just think price is gonna rebalance to like at least here. But once again, I could be wrong. Price could turn right now and stop me out. But let's see if partials will pay here. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna be patient and see. Alright, I think I'm gonna pause the video until I get stopped out or until it hits my first CP. Nothing really much to be said, but I think if we break this high again, price is just going to continue to take out this and this and this high. So yeah, I think I'm trading against the trend here. Well, let's just wait and be patient and see what happens. I'm gonna let this play out for you guys. I'm gonna be on mute and turn off my camera.